Hello and welcome guys. In this video we'll be doing a deep dive into the technical analysis of the S&P 500 and we'll decide what will happen in the next days, weeks and months and how we can make money trading this product, and I will show you exactly what will happen with the S&P 500 during the next days and weeks. And you can see, as you will be able to see, that I will be exactly right because my indicators and my predictions are right every single time. So let's begin with the basics. Everyone know we are in a bear market, lower highs, lower lows ever since this all-time here in January. This trend line is the ultimate trend line which is stopping the bulls from getting back to the all-time high. Every single time we've touched this trend line from below, we have been rejected and we've made lower lows. Also, one more important thing to add, that we have right now a bearish MACD crossover on the daily chart. As you can see, every time we've gotten this trend line rejection, we've also gotten these MACD rejections. And I believe, first, let's take out the obvious. I believe that we'll be making a lower low here, but it's not that easy. And if it was that easy, everyone would be making money. First, let's begin with the more short-term time frame and take a look at the 4-hour chart. So let's begin with what will happen in my opinion, and you will see that I will be right during the next trading week. So first, this level here, the 3,900 level, is a very important level. Multiple touches here, support here, resistance, support every single time. And we've recently moved below this level in a hurry. I believe that on the Monday or Tuesday we'll be retesting this level multiple times. So in my opinion, and you can see that I'll be right, but for now it's just an opinion before it happens, on the Monday session we'll be getting the first touch from below, and somewhere here we will get rejected. We will pass down, go down. Then on Tuesday I believe that we will try second time, and after the second time we will maybe make a lower low and lower high. So after we make lower low and lower highs on this small time frame, I believe something like this will occur, a bearish pennant, which will break to the downside, and during Wednesday, Thursday and Friday we'll be going down lower and lower. I believe that we will be ending the week on right around here. This is my prediction for the week, and I believe that firstly, as you can see on the 4-hour chart, we are very oversold on the RSI. Also here there is some support dating back from September, and more so back from here July, May. This is an important level, and I believe that something like this will occur. So my trading plan for the week, I will get long around here, a day trade. That will be a day trade, just for day trading. If you want to swing trade this, I believe that you've missed the chance to load up on shorts here, but I believe that you're getting one last chance for a short opportunity right around here to take some profits during the next bearish phase. So what will I do? I will get a long right here on the, just when the stock market opens on the Monday, I will be buying long, and I will be looking to exit the long position right around here and acquire more shorts. Then we'll see what happens. I will be doing daily day trading videos, so you see me day trade it on real time. But let's now take a look at a more long time horizon. I believe that the S&P is doing something like the move we saw from here. As you can see, this move, if we extrapolate this right here, if we exclude this nasty bull trap which happened with the CPI, the chart has been going with this almost perfectly, down, up, and now down. So I believe what will happen during the next weeks is we'll be retesting 3,900. We will go down around this level. As you can see, 3,700. It's not perfect, but some there. Then we'll get a Santa rally bull trap with the short-term trading week here. We'll be retesting a third time the 3,900 level, and then we'll be getting this massive drop during the January month. Then we'll have earnings. The earnings will probably be bad. So every time we've made lower lows, I believe that the average bear time period is around 60 days. Here it was 60, here it was around 80, and here it was around 30 days, but I believe this was the low. So yeah, 60 days. So I believe from here to here, I believe the next bottom of the bear market will become around 3,300 to 3,200 level. So let's say that around January we have fallen to this level. I believe that this level will be the final low for this bear market. First, we'll be touching this 2020 high, this multiple supports here during the bull run, the beginning of the bull run. And I believe that after we have touched this level, I believe that the trend line will be around 3,900. So I believe what will happen is something like this. Then a reject, and then somewhere in the middle of the next year we'll be getting the new bull run. But this is very, very far into the future. Just to recap, I believe that next week, on Monday and Tuesday, we'll be getting 2 consecutive bounces to this level out here. And I believe that this will be a beautiful short opportunity right there. Then we will get a massive drop during the later part of the week. And during the next week, we'll be getting more and more down. So that was for the S&P 500. And I also want to take a look at the NASDAQ, because the problem that the S&P has mostly correlates with the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has been very, very weak this year. As you can see, the level on the NASDAQ is around 11,400. This is a massive support, very, very massive support. As you can see, multiple, just a second, multiple touches here, multiple touches here, 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 and we've recently gotten below this level as well. So the plan is pretty simple. It's the same as the S&P 500. Monday bounce, after hours drop, second bounce, then we will get a new low, and this is my plan for the next week. I will be leaving this right here. So we will be doing a weekly recap on Friday, and you will see that most likely we'll have something like this occur, and you will be confirming. I hope that you follow my path and make money, but if you don't, next time do it. So let's take a look now on the VIX. The VIX is very, very interesting right now. So we have been getting this pennant pattern. For the first time, we have not seen the VIX go above 45 during a bear market. So I believe that the next bearish move will probably do something like this, and then we will have the last bear market crash of this bear market, and the VIX will finally break out of this pattern and go right around 47, 48, and from there we'll be getting lower lows, and we will be finishing 2023 right around here. But this is once again very far into the future. In my opinion, what will happen with the VIX during the next trading week is something around like this. First, on Monday and Tuesday, as we've discussed previously, the S&P will be getting higher, so I believe the VIX will be trading sideways, when on Wednesday we will get a bullish move, which will move us above this trend line. After we've moved above this trend line, I believe that we'll be getting another explosive move, which will take us somewhere around here. I believe that the VIX will end the week right around 27, and during the next week and next week I believe we will get higher and higher. So yeah, one thing that is very interesting to me that I don't understand as of now is that the S&P and the JNK has been getting pretty similar, but right of now it's they are diverging. As you can see, every time lower low here, lower low on the S&P, bounce, but as of recently the JNK has been getting a higher low. Well, let's take a look at this chart. The JNK has been getting a higher low in this bullish wedge, while the S&P has been broken down. I believe what is happening, that is a big bull trap right here. This move, I believe that we'll get a last bounce right here, and then we'll have a massive drop just to fill this gap right here. Let's take a final look at the dollar. The dollar is a very important piece of the stock market eternal, because as you can see, when the dollar is going up, the S&P is going down. When the dollar is going down, the S&P is going up, and vice versa. So right now the dollar is getting ready for some bullish move. First, we can see that short term lower highs, lower lows, but recently we've made an equal triple bounce low, and also we're getting a bullish MACD crossover, and we have been getting, we got above this important resistance right here. This resistance is a very key resistance, because it stopped gold here acted as a resistance, here support, resistance, and now we closed above. So I believe what will happen is some sideways actions, and Wednesday we are going to break out, retest here, and then head higher. So this is, in my opinion, what will happen with the massive indices next weeks. Let's take a look at the Apple chart. Apple chart is looking very bad, very bad. As you can see, we are below all the moving averages, bearish MACD, RSI is pointing down, on support, lower highs, equal lows. So I believe the Apple is going down. Apple is going right back around here at 100. But before we make drastic predictions, I believe what is going to occur next week with Apple, if you want to trade Apple, I believe what will happen is, first we'll get a dead cat bounce to around this level, then we're getting rejected, retest the level again, and then we'll move lower and lower, and I believe that we'll end this week around this level. Very important support here from October 2020 and here from January. I believe that Apple will end the week, the next trading week, at around 126 to 128. Tesla, one more very disgusting chart, more disgusting than Apple, of course, because straight down. not even dead cat bouncing. I believe that around here there is some support, so I believe that we're getting a dead cat bounce next week to around 180 with this moving average, 50 daily moving average will be right around here. There we'll get a rejection and we'll move lower to end the week at around 138. Google is an interesting, by the way, because it is bearish. I believe it will make lower lows, but we are far from the October low. So I believe that in the next bearish phase, we won't make a new all-time low on the Google. I believe that will be the bottom, but also I believe that in the next trading week, we will do something like this. We will get here, reject, and finish somewhere around here. Not very bearish because Google has been very strong here, while the S&P has been dropping here and here. Google is going kind of sideways. Here on earnings we dropped, then it's recovered. So I believe that Google will end at around 88. Let's take a final look at Amazon. Amazon is standing on the edge of a cliff. This support is a very important support. First, it came down during earnings, then it bounced, then right now we're here again. Also, support here, support here, support here. I believe that we'll break this support. But first, as with the many other charts, I believe that we will get a dead cat bounce. Somewhere around here is where I will be looking to add into a short position at near around 91. Then we'll be going lower. I believe that we'll end a week at around 80 to 83, right around here. And let's take a look for the last time. The Russell is the small cap companies, the 2000 small cap companies, and this is a precursor of the bearish move, because let's compare it with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 made bullish moves. No, let's do it different way, like this. Yes, so while the S&P 500 was making higher highs right here, the Russell made equal highs, which indicated that the small cap 2000 companies is bearish divergence from the S&P 500. So in my opinion, the S&P 500 will follow the Russell path, but before that, with all the other indices and stocks, I believe that we'll get a dead cat bounce the first times of the week, then a drop. I believe, and here is very important, I believe that we would end the week at around 1710. Support level here, support here, support there, support there. I believe that there is a huge support there and we won't get below, at least for the next trading week. And let's take a final look on the Dow. The Dow is what is holding the market strong, because the Dow made higher high, the only one that make higher high. But doing so, it also got bearish divergence right here. Also got bearish daily MACD cross, and we made higher high when the MACD was crossing down, which is very bearish. Also, we've closed the week just on the daily 50 MACD. We bounced from it. Also, we have the 200 daily MACD right below. So I believe that this support won't break for the week, this right here. But also, I believe that on short-term time frames, we will get some form of bounce during the first days of the week. Then we will drop and end the week right around this level. I believe that the moving average will cross around here. Something like this will occur, and then we will fall down. So let's take a final look and wrap up this video. Tomorrow I'll be live streaming some day trading, so you can see, in my opinion, to say it for the last time, in my opinion, what will happen during the next week on the S&P 500 is something like this: bounce up on Monday, after hours we will drop, then bounce up on Tuesday, make a lower low, make some kind of wedge, and on Wednesday we break, on Thursday we fall, and end the week with some form of hammer on this level, on this position. So just to show you what I will do, these levels here will be a short opportunity, and on Friday I will looking to buy some longs, but on Friday, and it will be short-term longs, because I believe, as I said previously, that I believe that the S&P is going right around there, somewhere around January to February next year. So every long is just short-term, every short is for the next months. I will be acquiring shorts right here, very hardcore. So this is it for the video. Thank you guys for listening. I believe that this is what's going to occur in the next trading week. I hope that you enjoyed the video and find it helpful. If you do, smack a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow to do some day trading, and on the evening I'll be wrapping up the day trading stream, and I will do a video to recap what happened during the Monday trading session. So I'll be seeing you guys there. Smack a like and subscribe.